As you can tell from the title, or probably tell from the title, I am going to be doing a video on something which I really don't like. 1, it's made by Microsoft. 2, it's a version of Windows. 3, it's Windows 8. And I'm not even going to keep going because I've forgotten what I was going to say. So Windows 8 is horrible. Just going to put that out there. Basically, history lesson here. Microsoft has always been a PC company and a laptop company. They've decided to completely forget about their main market. So guess what? Now they're moving on to tablets and phones when they obviously can't compete with any of the current softwares out there. It's just not going to happen. I just realised, why submit? Why is it submit? That should just be an... Okay, this is dreadful. And I actually found the power... Wow. Yeah, the power button seemed to disappear. There's no way to shut it down apart from out there, which is quite cool. Well, no, not cool, but cool that I found it.
Make your computer easier to use.
Thank you very much.
Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar to select the highlighted option.
Thank you very much, Microsoft Sam. You'd think, being such a big company, they'd invest in a decent voice, a decent text-to-speak voice. Oh dear. Come on, Google has a better one. If they're trying to compete with Google and Android, they're really not going... They can't be trying very hard. I haven't even logged in, and I've already had complaints. Rebel password only works when... Ooh. Rebel hint, password hint, password. Okay, so complete rebel password because it defines the point of a password. Okay, just want to point out it's already been hacked, and it's not something that Microsoft is going to be changing or patching in the near future, because this isn't just someone managed to get around the activation or something. This is what they spent most of their money on, to stop people from who have a Windows 8 computer or device, to stop them from putting anything else on it. Someone's already hacked it and they've spent a lot of money on it. Let me just read you something. The new technology will be OEM Activation 3.0, an upgrade from OA 2.1, which was used in Windows 7. A quick Google search will land you on Microsoft's job post confirming a position for this project. Microsoft issues keys for OEM and computer manufacturers, some of which would allow the user to skip the activation process. These keys serve their function by checking for data in the OEM embedded hardware BIOS. Unfortunately for Microsoft, hackers have found a way to circumvent this procedure. Well, there you go. So they tried to stop you from doing things that you would want to do, and it's been hacked already. That's pretty interesting, to be honest. You can't. Another thing is you can't close apps and you can't shut down properly. Well, I've just found that I can. Sorry, I've got my Google Docs document open here on my phone, so I'm just reading through here. You can't close apps. So once I've opened one, oh, why did I just click on Internet Explorer? Suicide here. I haven't actually opened it on Windows 8 yet. So, build Windows... No! I really don't want to. Let's go to a decent website. Yes. Okay, decent website coming up, and why on earth would you put it down there? That is the stupidest decision you could ever have. I am really hating them right now. I bet I'm going to close the VirtualBox. Trying to close it. Okay. Firefox. I do like the way it slid down though, because I'm trying to be open-minded about all this here. So, where can I download Firefox from? Thing is, you can't close apps and you can't open them properly because you have no start menu. I'll just kind of show you what I mean by you have no start menu, but this is what I was dreading about, because I knew this kind of thing would happen in the end. It was always going to happen. Because I was a bit worried about Chromium OS, but Google seemed to manage it well. With having no desktop, not being able to run programs properly. But Microsoft has done that, but then they've tried to get around it, and it's really, for me, it's not working very well at all. And don't run a security scan. It's function way. Okay. That is horrible. I'm sorry. I just don't like it moving around for me. And I don't want you to provide me with notifications. You can see this is a developer edition. I haven't fiddled around with anything. And you'll think, oh, okay, so it's not too bad. What he was saying, it's not too bad because, I mean, you can still open your programs, can't you? Nope. And what was that menu I just had there? Did I hold on to it? No. This is so cryptic, it's stupid. Right click, no. Oh dear, this is just ridiculous. Plus, I just want to point out that the multitasking doesn't work. Or doesn't work properly anyway. Did you see I couldn't close Internet Explorer there? Can I close it in any awesome way? Yeah, they've got a new task manager as well, which I hate. I'm not going to lie. Let me just show you. Control Shift Escape. Yeah. So what it actually starts off as is with fewer details. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? This is the only way you can stop a program from working, and it seems that barely works. Well, that was brilliant. So here it is, and who in their right mind would put the task manager inside the task manager process? So this is processes. I hate this layout. It's horrible, but I guess that's because it's a new interface. I don't like it. I'm trying to keep an open mind here. Ethernet going on here. App history, 5 in a row. I've never played that. Oh. Why would you add things that don't get used? I'm sorry, this is dreadful. At the end of this video, I'm going to make it incapacitable or whatever it is, so you can't use it. So far, I don't like it. Oh, I can actually close this one. Yes, I can actually close it. Now I'm starting to think, oh, okay, it's kind of okay now. It's getting better. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling better with it, and I haven't even let go with the mouse yet. If I got this, I'd probably spend most of my time in this view because really that annoys me. It really does. It really does annoy me. And now I've got that. After I've made this video, I'm gonna try and find out where the directory of this thing is. Can I use Winky? Because I use that a lot. Yes, I can. Oh yes, have you heard of their home server software, which is a waste of money completely? Yeah, basically they're getting you to waste your money. I'm trying to work out where it would all be, see if I can find any folders that weren't there. App compact, programs, continue. What's the .hve? No, I don't want to. What? No, I don't. How can I just say no? No. No. Alt F4. This isn't going to close me. This is so stupid. I just look at my Google Docs document to see if there's anything I missed out. Yeah, so there is a dodgy. Yeah, this launcher is pretty dodgy. I mean, you click on it and sometimes things just nothing happens. Okay, that worked. Maybe they patched it because I did just install a patch. What was that? Okay, they seem to have fixed it, but a while ago when I first installed it, it wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't work. And as this is a developer edition, there is no product key, and people have been prompted to give a product key, when in theory that isn't even part of this software. So that's terrible. There have already been loads of reports of people Windows 8 not having correct drivers. I don't see why they would remove the compatibility of drivers from Windows 7, because Windows 7 seems to be okay. As I said, these kind of title things, they kind of work sometimes, but not all the time. I don't really like them. Let's see, can I get /dot on here? What is it, .com or .org or whatever. Building Windows 8 /dot news for nerds, yes. The customizability, I'm pretty sure, is quite nice. I'm not totally sure about it, but apparently it's quite nice. I mean, if I go to control panel, first thing is make it look pretty, but I don't want any of this stuff because this is all, I don't like it. I just don't. Oh, it's horrible. So yeah, that's that. Now for the bit I've been waiting for. I'm going to create a batch file in the startup menu, wherever it may be. Okay. Is it Windows boot? Oh, I don't know, this is ridiculous. I'm really not enjoying using Windows 8. Download link is in the description for the ISO. I'll make a tutorial on running things in VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. Don't buy it, it's a waste of your money.